Set now, ready to race, race number 3. Phil Tobo Cup Special Race. Away they go. Best Strike pass to begin, running by the rails Pivotal. Down on the inside, Spring Rose Guided Missile is racing in front, and the early trailer is truly impressive by about 7 or 8 lengths of the leader. Passing the winning post for the first time, Best Strike followed by Pivotal. Spring Rose racing in third. Down on the inside, truly impressive Guided Missile. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Best Strike from the outside. Pivotal is running by the rail. Spring Rose racing in third by some 2 lengths. Truly impressive Guided Missile working towards the back. Best Strike by Hapaland. Pivotal. Spring Rose getting closer in third and running now in fourth. Guided Missile, truly impressive. At still Best Strike, Pivotal down on the inside. Spring Rose racing in third, and Guided Missile is racing in fourth by some 4 lengths by truly impressive. Rounding the far turn, Best Strike, Pivotal, Spring Rose. At still Best Strike, Pivotal, Spring Rose. Guided Missile getting closer in Portugal by truly impressive. As they race the final corner, Pivotal takes the lead. Best Strike, and on the outside is Guided Missile, truly impressive. Spring Rose entering the last 200. Pivotal, Best Strike, and Guided Missile, truly impressive, but still Pivotal and Best Strike, and finally at the pep line, Pivotal. Best Strike, Guided Missile, truly impressive, and the last runner to come home, entry number 1, is Spring